Hi, I'm Phoebe Ward. I'm the Waste Education Officer here at Wingecarribee Shire Council. Today I'm going to show you how to make beeswax wraps. So what you'll need is some beeswax. You can either blend this in a household blender or grate it. Scissors, just to cut the fabric, or you can use pinking shears, which gives it a bit of a jagged edge. Baking paper. You'll need an iron. And of course you'll need your fabric. We recommend using 100% cotton, and also it's best to use some sort of recycled fabric. So you've got to cut the fabric first. And sprinkle the beeswax onto the fabric. You want to try and get an even amount of beeswax across the whole piece of fabric and not miss any of the corners or edges. Cover the whole piece in baking paper. You want to make sure all the corners are covered because the beeswax might leak on the edges. Once the iron is heated up, you can basically place it on the baking paper and start melting the wax. So you just slowly slide it across the fabric and you'll be able to see it start to melt. There'll be sort of like wet, darker patches. And then you just want to slowly spread that around and make sure you get all the patches. You'll be able to see if you've missed any patches because it won't be as dark as the rest. So this you can just sprinkle with a little bit more wax. And basically just top it up and melt it again. So now we're going to peel back the baking paper. Now we're going to hang it up so it can dry, and then it'll be good to go. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips.